The Arizona facility is responsible, however, for more than just baking metal in the desert sun. The proving ground is responsible for corrosion testing, long-term mileage accumulation. There are 49 different routes through Arizona they use to rack up 7.5 million miles annually, static hot weather testing for 100 cars and 3,000 parts, as well as dynamic, severe hot weather testing. Rumor has it that the aforementioned Chairman Piëch laid out 9 engineering benchmarks for the Bugatti Veyron. One was that it had to be able to run at 125 miles per hour in 120-degree heat for 10 hours straight. The Arizona facility's 5-mile-long oval sure would make a great place to try that out. In August.